We had some leftover wire mesh from another backyard project. The holes in the mesh were very small, and instead of letting it go to waste, we decided to turn it into something practical and creative, a layered raised garden bed. Our idea was to shape the mesh into a circle and build a 6-layer system inside it, with each layer playing an important role in improving soil health and supporting plant growth. Stay with us as we show you how it all comes together and why every layer matters. To begin, we shaped the wire mesh into a circular form. To keep it strong and stable, both ends of the mesh were secured to a wooden piece. This created a firm frame that could hold its shape even after being filled with soil and organic materials. Once the circle was ready, we placed it on the ground and marked its outline. Along this line, we dug a shallow trench, just deep enough to anchor the mesh. The circular frame was then placed into the trench, and the soil was packed back around it. This step is crucial because it locks the structure in place and prevents movement caused by watering, wind, or the weight of the layers inside. With the frame firmly secured, we began filling the bed, layer by layer. Each layer serves a specific purpose, and together they create a living system that nourishes plants over time. The first layer was loamy garden soil, which forms a solid foundation. It provides essential minerals, allows good drainage, and supports healthy root growth. Next, we added kitchen waste such as vegetable scraps, fruit peels, root trimmings, and even some spoiled produce. This layer is rich in organic matter and gradually releases nutrients as it decomposes. The third layer was well-decomposed manure. This introduces beneficial microorganisms, speeds up the breakdown of kitchen waste, adds nitrogen, and improves overall soil fertility. After that, we added another layer of garden soil. This acts as a balancing layer and prevents fresh organic material from coming into direct contact with plant roots. The fifth layer was another application of decomposed manure. Placing it closer to the root zone ensures a steady supply of nutrients and supports ongoing microbial activity as plants grow. The sixth and final layer was mulch. Mulch helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, suppress weeds, and protect the soil surface from erosion. Once all 6 layers were complete, the raised bed already looked rich and alive, even before planting. To give it an extra boost, we finished by pouring compost tea over the mulch. Compost tea is made by steeping compost in water and is packed with beneficial bacteria and fungi. Applying it to the bed helps spread these microorganisms throughout the layers, speeds up decomposition, improves nutrient absorption, and strengthens plant resistance to disease.